Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking for the Missus. Today's video we are going to be making a beautiful creamy, gooey, cheesy mac and cheese with cauliflower. If you've never tried putting any vegetables in a mac and cheese before, you've got to give it a go. It just takes it to absolutely next level. This recipe is so simple. All I've got is some boiling water. You just want to add your salt to that. It's really important that you salt your water. It gives a nice flavour to the macaroni when you put it in. Here's the macaroni, and like I say, you've got to give it a go and put some vegetables in it. It's really nice. As you can see, I've cut this cauliflower just up into little florets. They'll be absolutely delicious in this recipe. So what we do is chuck our macaroni into the boiling salted water. Let's give it a little stir. We're going to boil that away for about 4 or 5 minutes. Do a little dance. Okay, so now the macaroni should just be starting to soften a little bit. It's at about 3 minutes. Just take a little bit out and just give it a squeeze just to see how hot that is. That's at the perfect stage now. It's just a little bit soft. So what we're going to do now is just add the cauliflower. Chuck that in. Look at it. Beautiful. Absolutely delicious. So we're going to cook that away probably for about 6 or 7 minutes, just so that the macaroni is almost done, just nice and al dente. Now we're going to get on with our cheese sauce. This sauce is so easy to make, honestly, it is unbelievable. There's a full list of ingredients in the description down below, guys. So pop your butter into a nice hot pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a roux. So we're going to add our flour to the butter in the pan. So wait for your butter to melt. You want it to go nice and frothy and foamy. At that point, you'll add your flour. Now when you put your flour in, it's really important to give it a really good stir, but you need to cook this for about probably 3 or 4 minutes because you don't want that raw flour flavour. So give that a good stir. You'll see it's just starting to catch. So what we'll do now is just add a little bit of milk at a time. Again, there's a full list of ingredients in the description down below, guys. Once that's thickened up again, we just change over to a whisk, make it easier, and then we just add a bit more milk. And then it's literally just rinse and repeat until you've got the consistency that you want. I want this to be quite gooey, I don't want it really thick, because that's how I prefer it. So now we're going to grate in half a nutmeg. Fresh nutmeg's absolutely delicious in this. Next ingredients we are going to add. I've got 1 teaspoon of mustard powder and a teaspoon of cayenne chili pepper. Just gives it a nice spicy undernote. I've got some fresh chopped parsley. I'm going to just use half of it now, and then the other half is going to be garnish at the end, just to make it look all pretty. I've got 2 cheeses here, so I've got half my cheddar that I'm going to put in. Again, you want to save half this cheese afterwards for when we put it under the grill. And I'm going to be using half of my red Leicester. The red Leicester just gives it a really good flavour, and it just gives it a good intense flavour to it. And it helps with the colour as well. So once you've given that a good stir together, what we're going to do is just put our macaroni and cauliflower back in again. Some recipes will have you put this in the oven afterwards. I don't. I do it under the grill because I just think it makes the cheese go nice and gnarly. Look at that. Gooey perfection. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, if you are enjoying this video. Now all that is left to do is literally sprinkle over the rest of our cheese. And like I say, we're going to put this underneath the grill. You can do it in the oven if you want to, it just takes a little bit longer. But I'll put it under the grill at high heat, probably for about 4 or 5 minutes, so that the cheese goes nice and bubbly and gnarly. And there we go, under the grill it goes. A couple of minutes later, oh, look at that. Absolutely delicious. Well, that's today's recipe, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.